Next year you're looking for $1 billion market cap. What are some steps you're going to take in 2026 to try and make that happen? Like, what's some maybe partnership or route that would actually lead to that?
Yeah, well, I mean, as a public company, forward-looking statements and things like that, can't get into specifics,
Mm,
and I'm not trying to be coy or anything like that. Of course, we'd love to work with all the major household names that everybody knows are iterating in this space. But, beyond that, we're standing up or quarterbacking our own delivery ecosystems. One of the things is, not everybody knows about Arrive AI. In fact, the majority of the people don't know about Arrive AI. So how do you counter that? You go out and you quarterback your own ecosystems. We got drone companies from all over the world reaching out to us right now. Robotic companies from all over the
hmm
world are reaching out to us. And so what we're doing is we're starting to stand up our own delivery ecosystems where, say, we'll go into a hospital, we'll set up arrive points, and then we'll have robots that are automated that can go back and forth and do the work of all the humans there. So now the humans could be redeployed to give better patient care. So we're unlocking a lot of value that way. We think that doing those kind of things. We're looking at standing up a new delivery use case in Fishers, Indiana, which is where we're based, to a commercial park there, and we're getting vendor buy-in right now. We're working with drones and robots to set that up. Things like that are going to really accelerate us. We're also
hmm
looking at M&A. When you're a public company, your stock is your currency. Of course,
hmm
our price is low, so that's a little bit of a deterrent. But I'm an aggressive guy. I'm a big risk taker. You got to think big to get big. You got to take
Yeah.
risks. To accelerate what you're doing. Obviously, you want to grow organically. We're taking huge steps in that regard. In the last 3 months, we went from 6 W-2 employees to 46. Moved into a new headquarters. We'll probably have 200 people next year on the team. But in addition to that, what if you could accelerate by bolting on, strategic revenue and, vertical integrations that would be complementary to what we're doing. So
Yeah.
we're looking at a lot of deals out there right now. If any of your viewers or subscribers have any deal they want to put in front of us, we're the We the People story. We evaluate everything. We're not too big or too ego to say we're not going to listen to you. We listen to all of our investors. We have an initiative called From Within. If you're an investor in Arrive AI, we know who you are, where you live, and what you do. If we have an opportunity, we want to look from within first. We want to reward people that rewarded us, with an investment.
hmm
We're very loyal to that, and so we have a great relationship throughout our whole investor community, and I couldn't be more proud of how we're building this company. One of the things I know I'm rambling here, but one of the things I say to myself every day when I go to work is I want to be the boss that I want to work for. I want
hmm
this to be the company that I would want to work for. And I want this to be the company that I would want to invest in. So if I can do those three things every day, we're doing so much right and we're going to
hmm
be very successful.